wanted this building to mimic the workplace.
When they enter into this building, it feels like that you're actually at Gulfstream.
Feels like it, looks like it, okay, even smells like it. It's designed that way. What better way to prepare our students than to have aviation and logistics labs that mirror the potential future employers?
If you go and visit Gulfstream, you'll see these exact same labs, and that's where we receive our footprint from.
So when they enter into this school, they're not only entering to receive an education, they are entering to receive a wonderful opportunity to have a great career.
We employ over 13,000 employees in Savannah, so we're always looking for great talent, and kids can learn a pathway here as part of the new aviation maintenance program, and they can work here in Savannah, or if they choose to, we have jobs all over the world.
Certainly Savannah's largest employer and one of SCCPSS's strongest business partners. Now, Savannah Tech is also a partner. In fact, the program has been around since 2021. Students used to be bused to Savannah Tech's campus. Now, Grove's CTAE Building is the hub for SCCPSS's commitment to technical education and community-driven opportunities.
Allowing a student to graduate and make $50,000 a year plus a year straight out of high school with a technical college certificate, where really they have 3 certificates once they leave here, is phenomenal. And so those students can choose after working several years in the workforce to go back. That's why we hope that they stay here, and those students can go and get their 4-year degree. They can get a 2-year degree and stay with that company and retire.
Working with Gulfstream Aerospace and with partnership with Savannah Technical College, we are giving them many opportunities. It gives them first-class world experiences.
Unique experiences in workforce readiness. The aviation maintenance and logistics pathways are giving students a chance to soar to new heights. For SCCPSS, I'm Ken Slatz.